Hey guys, I have a program here today to help you find specific things within your clips. At the moment, I'm looking for identity scanned. I've made a lot of videos about this identity scan in Rebirth Island on Modern Warfare 3. So all you have to do is open the program Hypetrigger. It's free to download. It's a free piece of software. You don't have to pay for it. Then all you do is you grab your videos, you drag your videos into the program. As you can see here, all the videos here. I'm going to choose Modern Warfare 3. And I'm going to create a custom trigger because there's no trigger in the script at the moment to be able to find what I want to find. So I want to find identity scanning or scanning identity. So how I do that is I go down to the bottom, very bottom, custom gaming configuration. So what I want to do is turn all these other ones off because that's for another game. And we want to go down the bottom and add a trigger. So the trigger's name is going to be called identity scanning, custom configuration, identity scanning. So you don't have to train. I shouldn't have to change. I think the writing is going to be in white, so I don't have to change any of the color filtrations or anything like that. But if you're scanning a different text that is red or blue or whatever, you have to change this filter duration. So this scan here on the screen scans that specific color. So what I want to make this like almost the full width of the screen. So 150. 150. So we'll just see what it says here on the video. When it scans, it should say identity scanning or something like that. Well, we may need to look for biometric scanning, biometric scanner used. So there it is up there in white. So biometric scanner. So we're just going to turn this back to 50 to 50. So we'll just we need to move this box where it said biometric scanner. So I'm going to move this box all the way to the left and then all the way to the top. Down means up means down for this for some reason. I don't know why. Right, so you can see it's within the realm of the box. Down here, the text we're looking for, we need to change the text to biometric scanner and should find it. It is white text. So what we're going to do is make the width a bit more and height a bit. So see how the text is red? It needs to turn green. So we need this text to turn green. So it here we go. I spelt biometric wrong, so I forgot the O. So there we go. See how it turned green? So there's a text being searched. It found biometric scanner. And what it will do every single time throughout all the videos that you've put into here, this trigger will recognize biometric scanner and it will clip that video for you. So here we can pick however long we want to clip before. So for me, I probably want to clip about 30 seconds beforehand because there's a few other things that I wanted to look at as well before that, or 40 seconds beforehand. All right, so that looks good. We can close that down. If it still says new trigger, you want to untick it and then tick it again and you'll see identity scanning. We probably want to change that to biometric. Oh, I know what it means anyway, so that's good enough. That's the only trigger we want to look for throughout all these videos. As you can see, it's already found one up here, one video. So we'll delete that and we'll start to rescan all these videos. All right, so once you've got your script in for your trigger, you hit find clips. It's going to go through all of your videos and find your clips. And on the right hand side here, you can select whether you want to save all of your clips as a full montage or if you want to save them as individual files. So I want to save them as individual clips, single video clips, with all clips. No, I'll separate video per clip. So that's what I want to do there. You can combine all the clips within 5 seconds or whatever you want to do. So what is this? I don't know why it's going. What was I recording This is DMZ. This is not what I want to look. This is not the video that I want to search for. So we'll get rid of this video. I don't know why that was in there. Must have played some DMZ and recorded this morning. So yeah, here, as you can see, this is, I wanted 40 seconds before, because in this video it shows me getting this. But yeah, as you can see, it'll take a while. It's at 0.5x speed at the moment. It's done 2% of the video. The video goes for 30 minutes. There was a few times that I scanned. And let's see here. See how it's scanning right now? We'll go visualization mode. See how it just scanned, the green come up, and it found a clip. See how the clip is over here on our right hand side now? So yeah, while your videos are being searched for whatever you want to search for with the trigger, you can go through on the right here for the videos that it has found so far, and you can edit them to be shorter or longer, or come in at a different duration in time. So this second video started at 0 because I wanted 40 seconds before, and this was early on in the game. So, and it also goes to the end, goes to 1 minute and 37 seconds. So what I'm going to do here is just quickly watch it and see if it also includes me purchasing stuff from the buyer with the gold card that I got from the scanner. There we go, gold card, gave me $5,500 or something like that. So yeah, it basically shows me doing everything that I wanted to show. So what are we at? Wait, we're at a minute 50 there. So minute 33, a minute 37, which is right there. So I want to include that mortar strike. So the mortar strike goes, let's see how long, I think it went to about a minute 57. Let's just show a minute 53. So we can change this time over here. See how you got the plus and minus button? Minute 53 we'll go to, and then that's the end of that video. It goes for 113 seconds. First video was 14 seconds. So we can watch the first video as well. This was at the industry. All right, 9 seconds. All right, so it stops about there. So we can increase that or decrease that. So it shows me turning to the right at the end of that video, and I don't like that. So I can just change that, and that's it there. So that goes for 12 seconds. So we'll wait to the end of this video to show all of the videos that I got out of it, and we'll go from there. So yeah, the trigger has eventually finished scanning all of my videos, and it's found 2 videos. So one of the videos, it didn't scan because I died before the scanning thing come up on the biometric scanner thing come up on my screen. As you can see here, it says biometric scanner. So yeah, that didn't come up. So I didn't find a third video. So I'll have to, there is another way to find it. Sometimes there is 2 ways to find it. So as you can see here, if I go back on the video, it also says biometric scanner here used. So I might be able to find the second one by creating another custom trigger under the color yellow that says biometric scanner used. But I'm not going to bother doing that. I'm just going to continue and show you guys what to do to process your videos. So now that it's found all the videos, all we have to do is go down after we've edited the time of them and we've made sure we've got the right amount of time on each video. We can go down and we can save them as one full montage or save them as each individual clip. So we just select where we want the files to go. So I'm going to pause the video and going to pause the video for a sec. Right, so I've opened my files and I'm just selecting my file here. So I want it under identity scanning, select that and save it as 2 individual clips. So we click on save, encode everything, and those videos are saved. So yeah, this is the folder here that I saved them to, and I can watch them, or I can grab them and then put them in my video editing software. So you can grab these videos and you can put them into like CapCut and add all of your effects and everything else and your intros, and simple as that, guys. That's how you find specific triggers in videos. And I just wanted to also show you real quick the more features of this. If I wanted to go through these videos again with a different custom trigger, because it's Modern Warfare 3, they do have Modern Warfare 2. So the Modern Warfare 2 works for the Modern Warfare 3 thing because it's basically the same game. They're just pre-built into each other. So you just use Modern Warfare 3, or you can select whatever game you've got. They've got a whole bunch of games here. So I'll just quickly scroll through so you can see all the games they have. If not, you can create your custom triggers for whatever game you're using. Like another game that I use is Hardline. So in my custom triggers here, I've done custom triggers for specific guns because every time I get a kill with a specific gun, it'll come up with the gun that I killed with. So I need to name the specific gun that I used to kill. So here I've put Sniper M82.416. And I can activate that and it'll find that in my Hardline videos. Or, you know, the Mac 10 SMG, Mac 10. Yeah, whatever custom trigger you want to make for whatever game, you can do that as well. You just need to go through the process that I showed you at the start of this video. You might need to change the color, you might not, but yeah. So yeah, there's a bunch of games that you can use. But yeah, if I want to find kills, I can go to Modern Warfare 2 right there, and it'll say on kill. So I've just got that one selected for on kill, and it'll find all of the kills throughout that whole game process. There's a whole other bunch of scripts that they've created as well for it, like kill streaks, multi-kill, defeat, victory. Yeah, I think you understand. There's a whole heap of different triggers for all different types of games. So what's another popular game we can go over here? So Apex Legends, what have we got here? Elimination, knockdowns, champion, and then we can add custom triggers. So, you know, like even for Modern Warfare 2, they don't have a custom trigger for specialty kills for the finishing moves. So you can create a custom trigger for a finishing move, so you can capture all of your finishing moves throughout the whole game. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you next time.